Hello everyone, Him Tutorial welcomes you to the new chapter, that is chapter number 9, Plant Form and Function. Today we are going to do the topic types of plants, and up to the end of this session you will be able to learn the subtopics of the day, that is classification, different type of classification of the plants. So let's start with the introduction part first. So we know that plants play a very vital role in the living world, and also up to 3 lakh species of the plants are approximately present on this earth. The plants are studied under the branch of science that is called as botany, and the scientist who study the botany, that scientist is called as botanist. So if I talk about the different type of systems which are present in the plant, so from the very beginning, from the junior classes, we have learned that plant has two main systems. One system is present beneath the soil, which is called as the root system, and the system which is present above the soil, that is called as the shoot system. Also, if we classify the plants, then two type of main classifications we will learn about. First classification which we are going to learn about the flowering plants, because plants may be flowering or maybe non-flowering plants. Both the plants are having the same two systems, that is root system and the shoot system. But some of the plants gives us flower, they are called as the flowering plants, and some of the plants which do not possess flowers, they are called as the non-flowering plants. So when we are going to talk about the classification of flowering plants, that is classification of flowering plants on the basis of its structure and size. So first is on the basis of structure and size. On the basis of structure and size, the plants are categorized as follows: herbs, shrubs, trees, and two more are there. They are climbers, and the fifth one is creepers. The herbs are the first one, and herbs are very small in size and they are almost green in color, and their stem is also green. And the example of herbs are coriander, mint, mustard, etc. And many more examples are there. If I categorize the shrubs, then shrubs are having a little bit height from the earth surface, and the main feature of shrubs is this, that they have the stem which is woody in nature. Also the branches of that stem arises from the base of the plant. And if I exemplify the shrubs, then shrubs are rose, jasmine, etc. And many more examples are there of the shrubs. If I talk about trees, then trees are long and tall, and they attain certain height from the earth's surface. And if I exemplify these trees, then you can exemplify them by mango, apple, neem, etc. and many more trees are there. The main difference between the herbs, shrubs and trees is their stem. Herbs are having very soft and tender stem. Shrubs are medium sized plants and they have woody stem, and trees are having strong stem which is called as, and it is also woody in nature, and that is called as trunk. Two more categories are also there under this classification, that is climbers and creepers. Climbers are those plants which are having weak stem, upward position, if they are having some support, like if they having support of wall or some stick or fence. For example, money plant is very common example. Okay. Then if I talk about the creepers, then creepers are such plants which are having weak stem, but they spreads over the ground. And if I talk about the examples of the creepers, then your muskmelon, then watermelon, etc. So these all are the plants which are classified under the structure and size of the plants, and they are of 5 types as herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. Now we are going to do another type of classification, that is the classification of plants on the basis of lifespan. Now first of all, what is lifespan? Lifespan means organisms are born, they grow up, they become older and they die. So this process of taking birth and dying off, this period of time in between the birth and death, this is called as the lifespan. On the basis of lifespan, the plants are categorized into 3 main types. First, annual. Second, biennial. And third one are the perennial. So annual are those which have lifespan of 1 season. If I talk about the examples of such plants which have lifespan of 1 season, then mustard, pea, these are the examples. If I talk about the biennial plants, then biennial plants are those plants which have lifespan of 2 years. And if I talk about 2 years, then in the first year the vegetative parts, means the root, stem and leaves, they are grown in the plant, and in the second year the reproductive parts, means flowers and fruits, they grow in the second year. If I talk about the perennial plant, then perennial plants are those plants which have lifespan of more than 2 years, and or you can say they can live up to several years or some years. Okay, 7 to 8 or 10 years they can live upon. Example of such perennial plants are all types of shrubs and trees. They are the perennial plants. Okay. If I talk about the biennial, then example of biennial are radish, turnip, dahlia, and annuals include all kind of herbs in it. So this is the 2 main type of classification which we have done today. So let's recap very quickly all the things what we have done. That the plants are the vital part of the living world. Up to 3 lakh species are present on this earth of the plants. The plants are studied under the branch of science that is called as botany, and that scientist who learn the science or who learn the botany, that is called as botanist. Also it has 2 main system. Every plant has 2 main system, either they are flowering or non-flowering. They have root system which is inside the soil and the shoot system which is above the soil. If I talk about the classification of the flowering plants, then first type of classification which we have done today, that is the classification of plants on the basis of structure and size. So in your book you will got only 3 types, but I am giving you 2 more to add to just to add little bit to your knowledge. Herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers, these are the 5 main types. And if I talk about another type of classification, that is the classification of plants on the basis of their lifespan, then we can categorize the plants into 3 types, that is annuals, biennials and perennials. So I hope you understood all the things very well. So up to our next video, keep watching, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.